Box cover, this is Dirty Bear and welcome to an all-new social media countdown. So let's get right into it. Number 10, Juliet Holness and Asafa pics are hits online. Box cover, so last week was the Food Awards and Miss MP Juliet Holness was looking quite prosperous in a this year outfit. And it's garnered a crocus bag of praises. Checklist time!
Julie, what you say? Cash?
Check.
Nails?
Fresh.
You have your other half?
Andrew Wellness.
Oh.
And not to be done was Jamaica's next top super sprint model Asafa Powell. And here to give the report is our resident astrologist, Miss Danny.
So if you look closely, you'll see scattered abs all across the body way until tomorrow morning. If you look into the southern region, you'll see partly skimpy underwear that's expected to continue until the end of his career. Now over to you, Daddy.
Number 9, tourists on show. My syllable. So from what year we've been seeing Jamaicans bringing WWE practices into the boxfoot dancehall. But you see them here, two tourists here, they have showed us how it is to be done properly. Just look. Crutches, hookings. My God. No, sir, catch the style there. No, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. It's unfair. Why when them do it, it looks so refined? No, man, this is supposed to be like a course at UE. L14W. The art of sophisticated daggering. Number 8, Yannick and Kitty twinning. Me bulla breadfoot. Me no know if I just me one well observant, but from what day, Yannick and Kitty have been wearing similar outfits by the Magnum Kings and Queens of the dancehall.
Question?
Are the same stylist them have? The same sponsor? Oh, are probably the same meddling producers them. Alright, ladies, so the theme for this week is Pop-Off Girls. Yannick, you're going to be Blossom and Kitty, you'll be Buttercup.
Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born!
But the question is, who is the ultimate? Two ladies are shaped before me. One lady, the original fluffy diva, able to code switch like no other. And the other brings a certain level of sex appeal that has been lacking in this competition. So who stays? Who goes? The lady with the fluff or the lady with the curves? And the lady that is still in the running to becoming Jamaica's next stop, true diva, is... Number 7, 5 Girls Take Kartel song. Box cover, so once again dancehall music stays winning. Lighter! So US pop group Fifth Harmony, known for hits such as
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
And came across this 2015 Kartel hit, Gonna Get Better.
No, leave me now.
Liked it and decided to them need to cover it for them latest album. Here for them version, yeah.
I'm not gonna leave you now. Oh, I know it's gonna get better. I won't leave you for a money man.
It shell.
Gonna Get Better is my favorite song off of this album. I love it so much. It really has a personal meaning for me and a personal connection. As soon as I heard it, like, I just absolutely fell in love. And
now check out the random video of the week.
Yes, they have a bathroom.
Bathroom, the red is not bathroom, the red is bathroom. Look at my mouth. Bathroom, the red is room. Look at my mouth.
Number 6, Mavado Falls. Box cover said this video surfaced recently with dancehall artist Mavado performing on stage. The man just dropped on the ground like a worthless breadfruit. But as it turns out, it wasn't Backfoot Mavado at all. It was just some random brother when me no know on stage or perform.
I'll be concentrating. I will have my band meditating. I need you for one cup.
And he had kept DJing right after the collapse there. He need a clap for that. Number 5, Jamaican athlete tests positive. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So news broke out that a Jamaican athlete returned adverse findings from the 2008 Olympic Beijing Games. And now it is being reported that that athlete is Nesta Carter. But me alone the boss a sigh of relief. Say it wasn't Shelly and Fraser, VCB, or Usain Bolt. 8 years from way in a 2008 and in a 2016 them people here choose to come and bring up this just before the Olympic Real games them? Something in a something. Something just not add up. Oh, aye. Number 4, Devin the Doctor versus Corey Todd. So some months ago, the story came out when Devin the Doctor got taboo and alleged some confrontation happened. And when him go outside, the owner of taboo, Corey Todd, come out there and give him 2 years worth of bucks. But as the saying goes, he who laughs last laughs best. That's all? As now, Corey Todd has been charged with the assault of Devin the Doctor. So Devin face, you know? Number 3, the Alkaline pick. Alkaline! Yeah, I'm an artist, but good gosh, what the bulla foot this you were her wearing? Looking like the wolf in a little Red Riding Hood. I say, uno people, uno awful savage meme makers. Why wanna do this to the brother? My God. Number 2, the kid and the gorilla. Box cover. So people, if you never hear about this story where this little pit near fire and end up going in the gorilla pit, sneak from him mother, go in the gorilla pit, the gorilla got that little pit now kind of mangle him, and the authorities them, they have to jump in and shoot the gorilla kill him. If you never hear about the story there, something just wrong with you. But you see, when me I hear about it, immediately me start to think, how would a Jamaican parent react to this? And lo and behold, somebody there to do it.
Oh God have his mercy, Jesus! Father God! No man, the coin gorilla do the company! That's crazy! How for pitney that man? Wait there. Me box at the one that. Oh wait! Get your behind from out that gorilla cage! Wait there! I no move yet! Oh wait! You know what? Let me find a bed to blaze up him! Yes, mommy! Me the right so. The right so? The right so me behind!
I know I go over to my field reporter who has a special interview with the grieving gorilla mom. What's name? Hamilton?
All who killed my son. I want justice. And I'm not monkeying around with Uno. I want justice for my son. Uno, shut up!
And number 1 goes to... Gully Bop and him drama them. Woo! Yeah. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my project, my box foot doctorate. I am just so tired of this walking reality show. So Armani Gully Bop girlfriend is back at it again with the random cussing.
You dirty, stinking, low-down scum. Look at your mouth. Look how much money you make all these years, and you cannot fix your horse mouth. Dirty, stinking boy.
No man. She is just so messy.
Who stink like you? After me now walk around with AIDS like...
The whole entire North Jamaica team need for a start campaign on our tongue. Oh, the shade. So she went online recently, cussing off Gully Bop, Dr. Love, NinjaMan, and all at one point she actually took out her sanitary napkin.
Hey, yo, when my pad there, hold on there. And in the one to see it, I gonna take the pad with the blood ramp with me, eh? And this man gonna take a slap in your blood clot.
You tell me no. Armani on some level is kind of entertaining, but right about now, she is just our too cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Predator, what you say? So a little bit after that, NinjaMan fired back and gave Armani a little lashing of his lamentable lexicon.
Two girl we sume like when Riverton dump clot escape and a bun.
Oh my.
I like when alligator gun boil bust. You sume like 10 days cabbage water.
Yeah.
You look like Chicha and a ear pan kiss royalty bump. You look like when thunderclap puss under PHE. Omari and me a ramp with gal. Eh? Big dirty thinking Omari.
Okay then, NinjaMan, you certainly showed her real thug style. So then there's Gully Bop who they fired with Armani, and then at some point he must get killed by an alleged homosexual. Just look here.
Alright, now blood clot.
Him said that.
Now come on, me hairstylist, me do him ear for him.
Him said that.
Of course, I wish you deal with. I wish you deal with the blood clot you deal with.
Lion.
God no.
And that him said.
And that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media countdown. Thank you
so much for watching. Please, may I beg you, may I urge you, may I beseech you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to keep up with me on Twitter and Instagram, it is Dirty Berry Show. If you want to book me, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, until next time, take care and peace out. Oh, and if you want to advertise, you can do so right about now. Just email me dirtyberryshow@gmail.com if you want to mention something and highlight it for you. Alright, take care.